Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving a crochet baby frock. To start making a crochet baby frock, gather soft yarn and a crochet hook. Begin with a slip knot and chain stitches for the desired width of the frock. Work rows of double crochet stitches for the bodies, adjusting the length as needed. Create armholes by skipping stitches and continue crocheting the bodies. For the skirt, add more chains and work in rounds, gradually increasing stitches. Experiment with colorful yarn to add a playful touch to the baby frock. Incorporate used details like bows or buttons for extra charm. Pay attention to sizing to ensure a comfortable fit for the baby. If unsure about sizing, refer to a baby size chart for guidance. Add ruffles or lace for a delicate and feminine look. Keep the pattern simple based on personal preferences and style. Consider using a soft, breathable yarn for the baby's comfort. Plain ahead for button or snap closures on the back for easy dressing. Customize the design with your favorite stitch patterns. Work on the project when you have a quiet and focused environment. Measure the baby's chest and length for accurate sizing. Create a swatch to check your page before starting the main project. Seek advice from experienced crocheters for helpful tips. Choose a stitch pattern that complements the yarn texture. Utilize stitch makers to keep attract. Thanks for watching this video.